Hi, my name is Ms. Rina Shafina binti Zaidi, matric card 08DKM22F1170. Today I will show you guys the process of changing the motherboard of washing machine. Firstly, I need to check what was the problem on this washing machine. I start with the plug. We check using the multimeter. Please make sure to turn off the electric before start. And then we check the motherboard. The back of the control damage board is unscrewed by turning it anti-clockwise. Then twist off all the screw on the motherboard. The control wire socket, the switch wire socket and all the processing program wire socket are disconnected and removed. The multimeter was used to check the motherboard. The motherboard was not working. After that, the old panel board is replaced with the new one. Consequently, all the sockets are connected. Ensure that every wire is reinstalled back in their places. Forever after, the display panel is put back and screw on. Hereafter, the back cover is screwed on by turning it clockwise.
And lastly,
the DC supply plug is plugged in and the switch is power on to test the keyboard.
be careful when plugging so that we don't get electric shock. The motherboard is working now.
In the conclusion, there has been significant consideration put into this process. Nevertheless, it is advised to hire someone with greater experience to perform it.